Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
Liftoff of mission 41D, the first flight in the air of Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
3, 2, 1, 0, 0.
Discovery, go and throttle up. Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
All right, we're back. We are back. What's going on, YouTube fam? Good to have you guys back. Ready to take some moves. Cool. How's it going, guys? Kyle, what's going on, man? Terry, how's it going? Michael, good morning, man. All the boys are here. Jack, how's it going, man? Good. Blake, how's it going? Blake, I'll send in the Zoom link in the community as well. Good to have you guys back on the stream. Remember, drop a little like. Hopefully we can take some good trades today. We got some pound news, I believe, in an hour or 2 hours maybe. Let me see. Pound news in 2 hours. Then we got Euro news in an hour. So hopefully in this session we get some good volume today. Hopefully execute some trades. Let me just share Zoom link. Hello. What's up, bro? How's it going, man? Good to have you guys back on the stream. All right, let me just get Zoom. Yeah, how's everyone's week been? I always catch up on a Friday. Obviously, I did the stream on Tuesday this week because I was busy on Wednesday, so I couldn't catch a stream as well. But yeah, we had a really nice call on gold on Tuesday as well. Ended up dropping like 50 plus pips. Absolutely ridiculous call. So good job to you guys who tuned in on Tuesday's stream and managed to catch that. Right, let me just share my screen. I need to put the fan on. It's hot in here. London sesh. All right, let me just get the community in and then we'll start sharing my screen. All right, let me put the fan on. Whoa, what the fuck? It was a piece of fluff. I thought it was a fucking spider. Holy shit. Yo, bro, are you with Elite Traders? I'm not with them, no, but I know Joe, who owns them. Right, let me just get this up. Let me put this in here. Let's start a poll. How was your trading week? Let's see. How was your trading week, guys? Let me know in the poll. Win, loss, break even. Doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. We just want to see how you guys are going. Win, loss. Cool. You guys got a little poll for you guys. See how the week's going. All right. 13 likes, guys. Get to 15 likes. And I'll start sharing my screen and we'll start breaking down the charts and start taking some trades. We've got 39 people in the chat. We'll let a few more people join in as well. All right, we've got the guys on YouTube. Let's get the boys in. All right, let me start sharing my screen with you guys on YouTube and start breaking down the chart, start making some bang. Let's do it.
Good morning, guys.
How's it going? What's going on?
Good.
Yo.
I got the EJ.
How's it going, boys?
Reversed on me now.
Right, let me just get my screen up.
Got 44 seconds to close below that level.
EJ.
Or I am cutting.
Alright, let's start doing some top down. How was the yesterday close on EJ? Let me just turn my Wi-Fi off on my phone. Why's my screen frozen? What's going on? What's going on? What is going on, TradingView?
It's got 10 seconds.
No, my TradingView's frozen. What the hell? I'm new in your stream. Hey, good to have you here, man. Good to have you here on the stream. All right, cool. Daily close on EJ, pretty bearish, but still respecting this very nice key level here. 4 hourly. How's the 4 hourly looking? How was Asia? Forex Factory. Yeah, I checked Forex Factory for scheduled news. EJ could come up a little bit more. Broken this support though. Be interesting to see how this 4 hours going to go. Hourly. Why is my trading view taking so long? Hourly, yeah, hourly's in a pretty big level. Just grabbing the previous hourly high. 15. Respecting this resistance. Did we grab any lows before the push up? No, we did not. I think we're gonna drive a little bit lower on EJ.
It'd be nice because it just closed on that level.
Are you looking for shorts as well?
I'm in shorts.
Oh, nice. Have we just grabbed that previous high? Yeah, as soon as we grab these highs, I may look for some shorts on EJ. To come down into the lows, what would we be talking? Potential 30 pipperoonies. So that's EJ, potential shorts today. Gold on the daily, let's have a look. Did we close bullish? Yep, solid close, creating that bottom wick, which is nice. I think gold could have a nice drive up today. Let's see how this hourly is looking. Maybe pull back down. Let me just delete this now. This is the levels we were watching yesterday. Gold, yeah, gold could see another little push down actually. It's in a bit of a range though, but gold could have a little 50 pip drop. I don't really want to trade it in this range, but we will see. We will see. Let me just get rid of this level. Currently trading within these little 2 levels here. Kind of stuck between there for now. Gold, so I'm gonna let gold do its thing. EJ, 5 minutes. Have a look. What was the trade on Tuesday? Terry, I will show you. I will show you. Yeah, I think EJ is going to grab a little bit higher. Gold trade on Tuesday. Right, let me find it. I don't know why my trading view is taking so long to load today. This was the position on Tuesday. This position actually got me at break even. And then some of you guys on YouTube held, and it, yeah, absolutely dropped. But this was the trade that was taken and shared on Tuesday stream. Ended up running down absolutely ridiculously, like insane. If you held runners, it came nowhere near back to your break even. So yeah, that was the trade on Tuesday on YouTube. And ranging took a very small little Asian play.
I got 8 ACO smokes, please. 3,000.
Was in a nice short on the NAS last night. As soon as I closed, it dropped another 100 points. Oh, Ash, that is fucking typical. EJ. Gonna wait for a little spike high. We've got pound news in 2 hours as well, so I don't really want to jump into pound just yet. But I think pound's got some lows to come and liquidate as well. So the higher we grab.
What are we saying?
I'm looking for potential shorts on pound as well. We got news in 2 hours.
I was just going to say I watched the I finished the advanced fibs today.
Nice.
And gold's kind of doing something as well with it. So it's sick to see it play out live like that, eh?
Yeah, it's super powerful. Gold always loves this like the 78.6 swing fib as well. It loves
it lines up well with the fat key level at 1979.
Oh yeah, nice.
Which is sitting at a take profit as well, which is pretty neat.
Very nice. Yeah, it's nice having that fib overlap.
Yeah.
How much? I got 15%. Let me just grab my charger quick. Give me 2 seconds. What's everyone else watching today apart from Gold and EJ or GJ? Anyone else watching anything else?
EU just took a double top on 5 minute and I've just entered a short.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Right, let me just move this over here. I'm gonna bring chart here. Yeah, gold. I was watching gold for longs last night. I was watching on 30 minute. I was looking for this really nice big play up, and then pretty much as soon as I decided to call it a night, it ended up absolutely booming. So I had my original level somewhere like this, and I was looking for longs above here to drive up into this next level, and ended up running like 150 pips. So I watched this close bullish and then this rejection, then looking for this candle to have this really big play up. And then the 30 minute closed bearish, and as soon as it closed that bearish, I was like, you know what, probably just gonna go back in this range, then end up breaking out, retesting, pumping beautifully. I woke up and saw that and I was like, oh, you motherfucker. As soon as gold grabs this little resistance, I may consider shorts down into this little support, but it needs to pull back up a little bit higher and retest some levels up here. All right, let me just see the poll of everyone's week. 50% of people had a winning week, 25% lost, 25% break even. Very, very good stats. Good job to you guys who came out on top. Even if you didn't come on top, as long as you stuck to your plan, that's the most important part. I'm somewhat of a beginner still. Thinking of starting my FTMO challenge, bro. Any advice? Make sure you're consistent first. If you're not consistent and you're still learning out, there's no point jumping for a funding firm. Funding firm won't make you any more consistent. So unless you're consistently making money, then only then do it. Otherwise, you may as well just keep that personal capital and save it for when you're ready, and then go for the challenge. But if you're not fully dialed down on your strategy, you're not consistently making money on like a small or even demo account, I personally would wait. There's no rush. Because like I say, if you can't make money on $100 account, having 100,000 isn't going to make any difference. What is your win rate average with this liquidity strategy? Well, for this month, with everything else that I do as well, sitting around about 78%, almost 80% for this month, which has been an absolutely incredible month. Let me just post in the strategy for you guys. Where are we? Yeah, so we got 10k views, that's crazy. Let me post it here. Day trading strat. But yeah, it's very, very simple and it's very, very key. If you trade it, you'll see how often it happens. Yeah, Ash, exactly the same. Yeah, I didn't even read that. Don't do it till you're confident, absolutely. I'm pretty confident. Good risk management as well. Yeah, been paying for an account for a bit. Good man. Good man. Good man. Just do it when you feel ready. Don't just be another statistic that gives their money to funding companies when they're not actually ready. Look at that. GJ just grabbing a little high. How's EJ looking? Yeah, EJ breaking high. No shorts just yet. How's the 30 minute looking? Had been chatting on mic was muted. Yeah, Blake, I couldn't hear you. You could. There you go.
Yeah, I was just chatting away and I'm like, oh, no one's responded, that's all. Oh.
Do you say you're in EU?
Yeah, I'm in an EU short.
Nice, man.
It's a real short range. It's only 7 pip, but it's still 3.2 R.
Nice.
And it's currently up about halfway.
Yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. Come back down, drive into these levels. Yeah, it could be nice. Could be nice. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, man. Good to have you on stream. Oh, as soon as gold grabs this previous 30-minute high, I may look to short gold. Depending on if the risk reward is worth it, I may short gold down into these lows here for a potential 30 pepperoonies. But I want to see how we react. I'm not going to short it until we grab this previous 30-minute high. And then as soon as we do grab that 30-minute high, then I'll be going down to the 5-minute for nice entries.
There's a nice 5-minute trend there as well, so you can tap into that for extra confluence, which
nice.
Is pretty mint. And it's support resistance, which is even fucking better.
Yeah, juicy. I hope we get some nice moves on gold. Gold had such low volume in Asia. I watched it for like, yeah, I think we push up higher. I watched it for like almost an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, and it was just absolutely dead. Dead.
It did not move.
No,
on a
man.
15-minute time frame. It was just like little dots.
Yeah, honestly, it was looking really nice as well. I was looking for it to have a nice juicy pullback to before then going short later in London. But yeah, it literally just ranged so bad.
Yeah.
I was looking for it to come up and grab this little high and tap into these levels. After this 5-minute grab that previous low, and a really nice strong push, and then looking for this to then continue that momentum. But then the volume just went nah, absolutely dead. I'm actually going to set an alert here for when gold taps into this level for potential shorts. EJ, we've now grabbed them highs. So if we get a nice closure here, we're on the last 5-minute of the 30-minute, I will look for potential shorts. Potential shorts on EJ. Euro USD sells, yeah. People are already short in Euro USD. Very nice. Very, very nice. Good morrow, peasant. Hope we're making a ridiculous amount of bread this Friday. We absolutely are. We're making an absolute bank. My brother's in the chat, streaming in on the chat, ready to make them signals, ready to make that bank. Oh, nice 5-minute close on Euro Yen. Let's see. I'm going to wait for this next 5-minute because this is the next 5-minute of the 30. And even if the 30 wicks this level, I still think we get a quick little retest before then going short. So I'm happy to wait for the 30-minute because we do still have this little gross level there. We had that support faked out of it, coming back down to retest it. So I don't want to short it if we're trapped within this tiny little 4-pip range. First time I can enjoy the stream is 4 AM here. Damn, that's commitment. That is commitment. Ship to the moon. All right, let's have a look at it. Where is it? Oh, look at that. Let's have a look at SHIB on the weekly. Sure it is. It's actually broken out nicely of this little trend line. Broken out nicely. Created some support. Grabbed that previous weekly low. And then yeah, next stop is $10.
I reckon stack in.
Yeah.
Stack in, buy the lows, buy the dip.
Buy the dip, yeah. SHIB will be at $10 probably by next week. Very, very likely. Gold sell, yeah, I'm looking for gold shorts. I'm just waiting for it to grab the previous 30-minute high. I got my little alert here, and I'll be short on gold back down into some supports down here. It will hit 1 pence. I'm calling it now. No, not in this lifetime. Not in this lifetime, that's for sure. Maybe in many grandkids' times to come, it may hit like, I don't know, 0.000001 maybe. That's pushing it. Next stop for SHIB is down here at this support at 0. That's where SHIB's going next. 0. You heard it here first. We got that 30-minute closure on. Oh, about to get. Yeah, nice. Gold's now creating this false resistance. I reckon anyone trying to short here is probably trying to jump in now. Stops maybe above here. So we'll have one more spike up in this 30-minute, and then we get a really nice risk reward to go short. How's EJ just closed? Yeah, Doji. No short on EJ just yet. Let me see how that 30 minutes closed. Ooh, yeah, not bad. If we can hold this level, we could consider risky shorts like this stops would be around 9 pips. You could potentially short it down for a 30 pip move. Do I have my... Oh, let me get my demo account up. Hey, Aaron. Oh, man. See, you emailed me this the other day. Remember when I asked you if I can give you $50 to turn that into 25 million bucks from future trading? You said, all right, deal. Well, deal. What's your Cash App or PayPal? So I can send the $50 to you to turn into 25 million. You also sent me this on email and on Instagram DM. It's clearly never going to happen. And I'm clearly don't have Cash App.
I'm in.
Yeah, I mean, if you want, if you want to send us $50, sure. Oh no, EJ, I didn't have my account up in time. Stop loss would be around 14129. 14129. Alright, I'm gonna just wait for 5-minute close on EJ. I would like to have been in that short already, but it's okay. We're still rejecting the support, and it's still pretty much around entry. And we could mess around in this area. I may even just take it on the break this low now. Grab that previous 5-minute high. Haven't grabbed the previous 5-minute low. It's not a bad place to even just short right now. 10 pip stop loss, not bad. I'm not going to short it just yet though. I would like it to break the support, but I don't want it to break the support and just absolutely dump. So let's just wait. If we push up here a little bit more and start to create more of a top wick, then I will consider this. Because if we then come and grab this low again, then we should have enough momentum to have the drive all the way back down. Stop loss is literally around 13 pips, which is very nice. Let's just call it 13 pips properly. 13 pips. So entry would be at this current low. I have to trade bigger lots on EU because it's quite a stop. Peter, no, not yet, man, not yet. My finger's on the trigger, ready to put the order in, but it's not in just yet. I just want to see how this, like, ideally, I would like this 5-minute to break this level because there's like maybe a minor intraday left shoulder, head, right shoulder to maybe push higher. I'm not sure. But I do like that we have this double bottom sitting down here, which makes me think there's a lot of liquidity to come and grab and then potentially just to drive even lower. So if we start to show that we're going to flip bearish here, I'm going to put this order in. I might even just put it in now. Yeah. Okay, I'm putting this order in on EJ. 13 pip stop loss, looking to play it down into these lows for a potential 30 pip move. Nice 1 to 2 risk to reward. And if this 5-minute doesn't break this little support here, then we'll manage. But if we get a nice closure here below this support, then we should get a nice drive down. 30 minutes looking really good to me. Leaving nice little wicks. We've got that initial wick to the highs, grab that previous high one more time, come up to test it in this 30 minutes. So this 30 minutes probably going to be the deciding. And then the hourly is also leaving a nice little wick to the highs. Had that initial wick, grabbed it, the next hourly could wick up a little bit more, and then you get the nice drive down. So yeah, EJ sell order is in. Now we just got to see if we get the closure. We've just grabbed the previous 5-minute as well without grabbing the previous low. So this should give it enough liquidity and enough volume to have that push. Do we have, let me see. Yeah, we got Euro news as well at 6:15. So depending on if we're going to get nice volume here, because this candle here was a really nice volume candle. After wicking these highs, grabbing the liquidity, closing with a nice strong 5-minute. If we just start to go doji, then it kind of tells me that we may range until the news. And the last thing I want to do is get triggered into a sell and then we just doji within this range, and then, you know, news comes out, stops us and then pushes, or I don't want to gamble the news regardless. So I would kind of want to be in and at break even before the news kicks in. But I'm not in yet. My order is in. How long we got? We got 5 more seconds till this candle closes. It's a bit doji. Oh, there you go. Breaking the support. The very last few seconds of that candle. Cool. Oh, I'm not in this. Why am I not in? Where's my 14152? 14152. Okay, I'm not in. This is looking even nice now. You can even get away with something like this. Okay, cool. I'm in EJ sells now.
Yeah, same.
Good man, good man. We've got a nice tight stop loss. We just want to see how that 5 minute was rejecting, and then literally like the last few seconds of that 5 minute candle closes bearish break to support. Very nice quick retest now, and we should get some nice volume. Depending on how this 5 minute closes, we may put stops above this high because we've grabbed that previous 5 minute high. So if we're going to grab this high again, then we could even just go higher. So depending on how this 5 minute closes, create a nice little double bottom there. I may do that, but as of right now, stop loss is still above that previous high. Get that Friday bread, Ron. Absolutely, man. Ron, I want to see some breads in the YouTube chat as well.
W's in the chat.
Yeah, get them W's. We just hit like 2 pips in profit. Ron, it's wrong with the breads in the YouTube chat. Was it a sell stop? Yeah, sell stop, man. Sell stop below the low.
I'm going break even.
Let's get them table smashers in. Look at that, just hit 5 pips. Incredible. Yeah, if we break nicely, if we break this low nicely, then I'm gonna have my stops here, because then we could break this and then come up and create a top wick. So we may retest these levels and even grab this 5 minute one more time. So I don't want to go break even just yet. But depending on this 5 minute close, I may just reduce stops. Yep, I'm in, man. I am in full margin.
Me too.
Without stealing my signals?
Yeah, no, sorry, I've been listening to music.
That's all good, man. That's all right. If you don't want to talk to us, we don't want to talk to you either.
No, I know it's a nice playlist, so I wanted to listen to the playlist. I do apologize.
No, you get in this. You get in the zone.
It's just that Luke guy. Oh my god, I just can't. look at do you see the eyes looking? I'm joking, Luke. I'm joking.
Hey? Sorry, missed it, man. Go on, fellas.
How's it going, man?
Hey.
G'day, Jesse.
What music? Oh, I sent you the playlist. It's quite. It got me in the zone this morning. I was like, yeah, let's go.
YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. The more you like the stream, the more EJ's gonna dump. So I'm gonna have a fun coupon Friday here. But I'm not gonna hold this position. I ideally want to be break even on this position before that Euro news comes out in around 45 minutes. But if this 5 minute doesn't close with a nice body, breaking this low, then I may go break even, just take risk off the table. But if we get a nice close, then I'm still going to give it a little bit of breathing room, because we could pull back, create a top wick before then going lower. And then we'll probably see how the 15 minutes is going to close. But so far, so good. Really nice liquidity grab. Look at that little double top. Wicked out the double top, came back for the retest, boom. And my original entry was trying to be up here, but we just missed it. But it's all good. We still managed to get back in. TP1 already. Light work, Peter. Easy work. How are we running up? I'm sitting up around quick $200. Instant $200. I'm not gonna take any profit just yet. Likes on the stream to add volume to the charts. Ron, you know the score. Yes, Antonio, do that, man. There's so much value in all the previous streams. We've had absolute banger trades on the streams, even though I only do them twice a week. On them 2 days alone, we've had absolute bangers, and there's so much value in all the trade recaps. I try and recap the streams as much as I can. My stop loss is still up here, by the way. How long we got? We got 30 more seconds to this 5 minutes going to close. I'm not going to do anything till the 5 minute closes, but if the 5 minute doesn't break this very minor level here, then I will manage risk, because I don't want to predict too much before the news. But yeah, my finger's on the trigger to potentially close this at break even if we do pull back up in the next 15 seconds. And the only reason I'm managing so aggressively is just because we have that Euro news. And we've had that nice volume, so if we're gonna do this, which is not what we want to do, I'm gonna cut it at basically break even in 1 second. Cool, I'm out. Oh my, were you guys talking? My laptop was muted.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You were just ignoring me. No, it's fine. Don't worry about it.
I don't know how, but my laptop was muted.
No,
Sorry, what were you saying? Could you hear me?
Yeah, loud and clear.
I'm out of this EJ position. Antonio, yes, every day. Sorry, man, go on.
I figured out how to manipulate the funding company, and we've also
block this fucking idiot. Oh, you did? How?
Yeah, I can open more than one position. I can't now EJ trade.
Yeah.
I was in more than 1% there.
Nice. Is that just by opening more than one position? Yeah, and that's it.
Yeah, so I had 2 sell positions.
Very nice. I'm out of this trade. I never copy your trades. It messed my probability. Good man. Always watching your trades with great content. Good man, Alien. Love that, man. That's the thing I don't. When people just tune in and take signals with no understanding of the market, it's all about matching up my perspective with your perspective. And if ours align, then amazing, you can take the trade. But yeah, I don't want anyone just taking the trades blindly. I love the recaps. Thank you, man. I'll do more of them. I meant to recap Tuesday stream, but I'll probably do that over the weekend. I'll recap this stream as well. But yeah, I'm out of this trade. Reason being is because we have Euro news and price didn't break this support that I wanted. So I'm not going to predict that price is going to break this support. If we now close below it, then I'll just do the exact same thing and then just short it again. But the fact that this 5 minute was looking incredibly bearish and then wicked all the way up with the Euro news shows me that I just have to be a little bit more patient. Oh, thank you. Look at that.
My first one that would have been alright.
Thank you.
But I just didn't like how it was closing above that level. My first one from this morning was a 141, 172. I was in. They took those eyes out. Sitting on GJ, took those eyes out, and I thought that was going to have a nice little drive down. But
Peter, yeah, I'm out this trade, man.
Is.
Oh, I'm out this trade. Just imagine my wife's reaction when she woke up before him and found me not watching porn, but Aaron trades live. I don't know what's worse. Being up at 4 AM watching some guy on YouTube, or doing that. How's this 15 looking on EJ? Yeah, 15 minutes, I've got time.
Is your laptop still on mute?
No, I can hear you. I just was chatting to YouTube fam. Were you talking about GJ?
Both.
I'm waiting to potentially re-enter. Oh, look at that. Liquidity grab. That is some whack price action.
Dude, check gold, it's even worse.
Oh, yeah.
I was just about to say,
yeah.
gold's looking beautiful to trade. Look at that.
So clean, man.
In the 1 minute.
Oh, man. It's getting that 1 minute chart. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
30-second chart.
Hey?
30-second chart.
This is the 1 minute chart. You just get a fib like this. Oh, clean. Get some trend lines going on. Look at that. Stunning price action. I am waiting for gold to grab this high and then a nice drive lower. Oh, grab this high and then look for that. Push up and then boom, I'm going to short gold. 5 minute on. I don't want to miss EJ re-entries. How long we got? Cool. We're going to get the 5 minute close here. Oh, you motherfucker. Look at that. What are the main pairs you focus on for intraday trading? Gold, GJ, and EJ. That's it. Look at NAS. Our session yesterday. I've got. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful. That's a lovely level. Wild. Even that. How many just from that? Crazy, 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 crazy. So much news coming, staying neutral till the news is over. Yeah, me too, man. I'm being skeptical of that, but Oh, look at that. EJ closed back above the level. No short in EJ. But yeah, EJ shorts for me were very, very valid at the time. And yeah, until we break this level, 15 minutes now just respected it as well. After the 15 minute was looking incredibly bearish. Could now even maybe see this flip higher. Who knows? But until we break that support and until we break the resistance, I'm going to have to wait for a little bit more. But I do really like that we have this liquidity sitting down here. A little double bottom we need to come and grab that double bottom. And then who knows where we go next, but I'd like to short down into that. How's GJ looking? GJ, yeah, a bit slow for now. It's been a slow grind the last few days. Very slow grind in London. After last week was insane. This week's been a little bit slower. But yeah, we're gonna wait. Look at that. EJ pushing higher now. We're still respecting the support, but I'm not gonna long it until we break out of this range. Probably won't long it now until this news. Goldie pushing up? Spike up a little bit higher, and I will short gold. I will short gold for a potential 50 pipperoonies. Could get a nice play here any second now. Let me just get gold ready to go just in case. Go on, grab it. As soon as we grab it. Oh, look at that. There we go. Nice. Stops would be there. Playing it down into there. Not the best risk reward. I'd like to see a little bit more. But now, nice. We just grabbed that previous wick. Alert's gone off. Now let's see. Push up a little bit more. I'd ideally want it to retest these levels. Very simple. Support broken. Grab this previous high. Retest these levels. And then a nice drive down into the next level.
Gold hasn't even tagged that previous high for a whole pip yet. It's like 0.8.
This one we're hovering around.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, nice. Very nice. If you start to get a rejection, then my stop loss would be based on this candle. Not all the way up here, but let's see. Aaron, how to trade US oil? Exactly the same way we're doing now, man. Exactly the same stuff. Jack, no, order's not in yet, man. Order's not in yet. I'm just gonna see. I want to see some sort of reaction. How long we got? We got 2 more minutes till this 5 minutes gonna close. I just want to see some signs of rejection because it's looking very strong now. So I don't want to put an order just yet. I need to see how we're gonna react around this level.
15 just creating a nice wick now as well, so it needs to still come down, which works well.
Yeah, this 15 could be juicy. Could be very, very nice. Grabbing all that liquidity up there. Beautiful. Let's see. Been trading US 2000 all week. It's done me right. Double my small account. Hey, very nice. Good work. How's EJ looking? Doji. Yeah, EJ's waiting for that news. But yeah, no orders in on gold just yet. Gotta wait to see how we're gonna react. Want to see some signs of rejection before putting this in, because the hourly is probably leaving a big fat wick. Ooh, no, look at that. Hourly was bearish. No top wick. Straight back up. How long have you been trading? Around 5 years now. 5 whole years. 5 long years. Getting grey hair before I'm even 30. All thanks to trading. Do we have USD news today? No, we don't. Oh, yes, we do. PMI 1145. Pound news 7:30. Euro news coming up at 6:15, and then again at 6:30. How long full time? About 3 years now. Oh yeah, strong close there. I'm not gonna short gold just yet. I wanna see a nice, because that 5 minutes just closed so strong. I need this 5 minutes to close strong, and I'll probably wait for the hourly, because if the hourly closes bullish, who knows? Is this a fake out of this support to potentially go higher? Maybe, but we'll react to that if that happens. But as it stands, as long as we trade below this very simple level of support, it makes sense to sell gold back down into these lows. But if we break above, amazing. Fake out confirmed, push back up. So I'm not really going to do anything till then. I'm not going to short gold till you get a 5 minute closure, because the price has just broken out of this little consolidation range, broken out, come back down, retest, potentially go higher. So unless you get like a 5 minute flip and engulfing candle following the day trading strategy, then only then can you go short. But if you go short now, you're just kind of predicting too much. Oh yeah, EJ. Yeah, I'm not going to touch EJ just yet. I was good management on EJ though. What was our original stop loss? Original stop loss was around 13 pips. So yeah, we'll be sitting in a little drawdown right now. Nothing huge, but look at that price action. That's what you don't want to do. You don't want to get tagged into a trade and sit in shit like this and hope they're going to get volume that goes in your favor. See the volume for exactly what it is. If you get nice liquidity grabs, nice strong 5 minute, and then doji, then nice strong 5 minute again, and then it doesn't go after that, and you see 1, 2, 3 doji candles, then you just have to understand that that's just low volume and manage your position. Yeah, 30 minute respects here. 30 minute closes back below here. I'm going to wait for probably a 30 minute breakout. Ooh. But if gold does close back below this level, then the 15 minute will be leaving a nice wick, and then you could potentially look for something like that to follow the momentum back down. But only until we do that will I then do that. So if gold does this, I'll do this. If it breaks and retests and go higher, so be it. We're not here to predict, we're just here to react. Any of you guys on Zoom watching anything else? Looking to snipe anything else?
No, nothing really.
Man. GJ. Nothing. I just want to watch GJ for now. Oh, look at that. EJ pushing down now. Let's see. I'm just going to wait for the hourly. I'm not going to do anything on EJ till the hourly. How's the hourly starting to look? Yeah, it could be nice. Could be very, very nice. Hourly breaks this level, and you get a nice little quick top wick, and then we'll short again. Pedro, no, I'm not an EJ man. I was an EJ, but I closed it at break even after price failed to break the support, and we've still yet to close below it. If this 5 minute closes below it, amazing, we can trade it, but we still haven't closed below it. If we do close below it, amazing, we can take it, but only until we close below. Same with this candle. This candle was looking so bearish, and then before the close, wicked straight back up. So I need a nice strong 5 minute close, and then I'll look to enter again. Goldy, nothing yet. I'm going to set an alert on here, gold, just in case it comes back down for potential shorts. How's the hourly starting to look on gold? Yeah, nice. Very, very nice. Oh, look at that. EJ. Motherfucker. That motherfucker. If we just got that volume at our entry, we'd be chilling.
Yeah.
But the
now risk reward's a bit out of the window, isn't it?
Yeah, it would have to pull back up. And then, let me just see. If I'd have to pull back up, and then I would look to maybe something like that.
You could put a lot of your stop orders on the close or on the wicks, actually.
So like this, I would consider something like this.
Yeah, not on the wick necessarily.
I'm just gonna see.
Like down below.
Like down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could have it there.
Either way.
Yeah, either way really. Depends on how we're moving.
Gold just faked out that level, really nice.
Oh yeah, nice close. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. EJ and gold could shape up here. Let's watch both. I would rather take gold just because of that EJ news, but if the technicals shape in, then we could see it. But yeah, we had a lovely original first entry. But yeah, that's the first. Break even for now. Gold, yeah, gold could be nice here. Get a nice close here. The hourly is going to be looking really good. Really, really nice. Let's wait. I'm just gonna wait for the hourly. But yeah, that's a nice strong 5 minute, 5 minute flip. So I just need gold to close back below here, and then amazing. We'll take the little 5 minute strat. We get this. Then we get a much nicer risk to reward as well. So now you've had that push up and that strong close. If you get the closure back below, then you could be shorting with this. Whereas if you were just trying to short here, stop loss are going to be all the way up here. So risk to reward is not as great. So as soon as we get a 5 minute closure, I will look for it. How's GJ starting to form on the hourly? Oh, pretty nice. Look at that. Grab them highs. Body's closing back below this little level. Alright, let's see. Graham, morning man. Good to have you here. Good to have you here tuning in, man. Let's see. Yeah, I need gold to close back below. But yeah, then we got this Euro news in 20 minutes. You got French news and you got German news as well. So Euro pairs could have a big spike. I wanted to be in this and at break even before the news, but unfortunately we just went so doji and so quiet prior to that drop. But it's all good. It's all good. If EJ breaks 141, pretty much. Yeah, maybe. I'm not going to do anything to the news. But yeah, it looks good.
I mean, on the pretty much on the bottom of that body close. That was on 14107, and I'm looking to get out quite fast as well.
Good man. Where did you get 14107? Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, if there wasn't news, that would have been my re-entry as well.
Yeah, I'll just see how far we can get to 10 past.
If you get a 5 minute closure below this previous 5 minute body, you should get a nice drive. But yeah, you just want to kind of have risk off the table before the news. Look at that gold respect and pushing high.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna take the whole thing off before the news.
Yeah, makes sense, man. Makes sense. It's the last 5 minutes of the hourly. So if you do get a nice push here, which is looking like you will, then you should be chilling. Look at that 15 looking juicy now. Finally got that 15 minute breakout. Pedro, no, I'm not, man. I was, but I closed at break even. I was short here, but I closed at break even after 5 minute close, bearish, and then doji. Prior to news, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take risk off the table. But it's pushing nice. My TP would be down here, so if anyone is still at EJ, I think you'd be shorting down into these lows. Really nice push to come and grab these lows before then doing who knows. But if you are in EJ, just make sure you have your original risk off the table before the news. How long we got till gold? 10 more seconds. Oh yeah, that looks nice. I like that. I would take the same. Oh yeah, look at that. 5 minute just broke that previous 5 minute low, which is nice. Yeah, I think EJ will get a nice continuation down. Probably come up, maybe grab the previous 5 minute wick. And I if it wasn't for news, I would short this mofo as soon as we grab this. Look at that, pushing back up now. Owly, solid, really nice, really nice owly. If we do get the entry, I may just take another half risk. Only half risk because I don't want to enter full risk before the news. It just doesn't make much sense. But no, I need it to grab the previous 5 minutes. Just left a little double top there as well. So if you get a nice little spike, risk reward's not huge. Oh, look at that. Respecting it. If we're respecting it, I'm not sure. Gold. Look at that gold on the hourly. How do we close? Yeah, strong. Strong. More of just a... Gold is still ranging. To me, gold's still ranging. Nothing on gold. Nothing on EJ. We're just going to wait. We're going to wait. Do you have Discord server? Yeah, I have Discord server, man. I do indeed. Yeah, if anyone's still holding EJ shorts from up here, you got sniper entries. Gotta cut that break even. Oh, look at that. And that's how a pretty steep push. Nice little 5 minute flip there. Breaking the low. 10 points. I hate waiting for news.
Are you in as well, Alice, or?
Right. He's ignoring us.
Listening to the music.
He must have worked out how to mute just certain people.
How long have you been trading for? 5 years, man. 5 years. 5 years, almost gone to wait. What's that? 22. Yeah, I'll only short EJ once we grab this little double top. Pause. Maybe re-entry at 141. 141. Yeah, man, that's what I'd like. I'd like that. But if we do drop from here, I'm just gonna have to unfortunately let it do its thing. I don't want to re-enter until we get this or until that Euro news. But yeah, look at that. We would have had a banger. Look at that. Would have had an instant if we had that volume there. Yeah, no re-entry. No re-entry.
I'm pulling up my stops a bit. On my MetaTrader, it has taken the previous 5.
Oh, really?
As well? Yeah.
Let me see on another provider.
You're looking at that double top.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Let's have a look at. Let's see what Oanda's saying.
Yeah, it's taken the previous 5 for me as well.
Oh, motherfucker! It did here. Oh yeah.
But
yeah, it did.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's not much.
See, who was I looking at? This is with FXCM. FXCM did not grab it. Look at that. Interesting. Yeah, motherfucker.
Didn't on my chart.
Let me see if my broker did as well. EJ. Oh yeah, on my broker it did as well. Oh, what a cunt. Motherfucker. Oh well.
Wow.
I mean,
Are you guys looking at it? Yeah.
14107 on that.
Yeah, you still holding?
Yeah.
Good man. Very nice.
Oh, you in? Oh, sweet. Oh,
very nice.
Yeah.
I always look with Oanda. Yeah, I might start having to use Oanda because that is some bullshit. That's exactly what I had to wait for to grab that previous 5 minute. Oh man, would have, should have, could have been full TP. Look at that.
Yeah, just took me out here.
Good man.
At the very bottom.
Good man. Very nice trade.
All right.
Oh, nice. Yeah, very nice. Yeah,
must be nice.
On my broker, the 5-minute grab of this previous high was so clean. So clean. Good trade, thank you, Terry. Yeah, look at that.
That is. Oh, that's great trade.
Oh.
Where'd you get in?
That would be full TB. Luke got in from here.
Ah, that's nice. I was looking at that as well, but it's just
that one.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, that one.
Like my stop loss had to be like at those highs as well.
Yeah, the risk reward wasn't great, but I was gonna get out before news.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Get in.
Yeah, that is painful. Painful.
Been good this morning.
Yeah. Torn me a new one.
You just hit TP.
Oh, very nice, man. Very nice. Oh, look at gold. That's why we didn't short gold. Look at that. Ripper. Didn't break back below that level. Push straight back up. TP, yeah. Good shit. Guys who short EJ, good shit. Hold a nice little runner. What have you just hit? Oh man, 50 pipperoonies.
Jesus Christ. EJ has used me as one of those puppets with the gorilla lists. I'm one of those today. He's right up there in the guts.
Jesus. Oh man. Oh man, what a cool. Oh, EJ. EJ did us dirty. So dirty. Look at that. YouTube fam, did anyone actually hold this trade? I did not. Fucking hell, man. I'll be done for the day. Me done. Day is done. Just hit. Runner would have just hit around almost 60 pips. How about that? The pain of it, Steve. I know. I
feel like smacking someone.
Yeah, no table smashes today. Someone else is getting it. Holding, right, Thomas. Good job.
That's very me nice. For today. I'm off.
Good man. Enjoy.
See you guys.
See you, man. Enjoy.
Have a good one. Yeah.
Bye, man.
See ya.
Look at that. That's how we do it. Makes his bank and goes. What a man. What a man. Anyone else on Zoom hold that?
Gotta head off as well.
Oh, good man. Did anyone else hold this, EJ? Fuck, this is a ripper. Look at it go, Jack. I know. Fucking painful. Painful. Instant 4 risk reward. Look at that. Wow, man. Only reason that I went break even is because we had 3 indecisive 5-minute candles before news. And I would have shorted again here if this 5-minute grabbed that previous high. And on my broker, we did exactly that. So I'm never using FXCM again. Motherfucker. GJ was nice as GJ dropped as well. Oh man, look at that. I didn't hold my shorts. No, me neither. Me neither. But hey, it's a lovely, lovely, cool. Good job to the guys that are still holding. Absolute banger. Full TP. I would have been here. Leave a little runner. Boom. Insane. Insane position. Amazing call. The technicals were so clean. It's unfortunate that we just didn't get that drive here. If that 5-minute had closed below this level, we would have just been managing like this and we wouldn't have got taken out. But hey, this is what it is. Shit happens. Oh my god, it's dumping so hard. I can't even watch it anymore. It's painful. Gold's ripping as well. Oh, gold could have actually had buys here. Oh my days. Oh my days. That is absolutely disgusting. That's almost 100 pip drop. That is fucking wild. Absolutely wild. Owly. Owly just next up. Come all the way back down here. In on gold, long way you said. Very nice, Dan. Very, very nice. Broke that level, retested, grabbed the low, respected it, broke that high, boom. Very, very nice. I was too busy crying over EJ, but after we broke that high, boom, instant 25 pipperoonies. Oh man, that would have been a fun coupon Friday. I wouldn't have even had to trade US session. Now I got a revenge trade US. Lead this by some people trade fundamentals. Yeah, man. The thing is, the fundamentals gives it the catalyst and the volume. Technicals were already in place. That's why I just love technical trading and then getting the volume of the news to kick you in. That's why, you know, before the news, I wanted to be at break even, and actually in this situation, before the news, I would have been done. So make sure I got a break even. Yeah, good. It made sense. The thing, I had to stick to my plan, and my plan was if we don't break this level in the next like 2 5-minute candles, I have to close. And then we went doji for 5 minutes after getting some nice volume. So I just had to manage my position because the 15-minute didn't break that level. As soon as it did, that was the lovely top wick. If I was just watching the 15-minute, boom, would have been another snipe. Even if you had taken it just on this low, bam, still 80 pips. Insane. But yeah, technical wise, it was a lovely setup. We'll take these setups time and time again. Called this very, very well. Just unfortunate just to get some fuckery before, but part of the game. Part of the game, part of the fun, but some of you guys who did call it and still holding, very, very well done. Very, very well done. Beautiful trade, thank you, Terry. EJ, that's what you call in Glasgow. Getting pumped big time. Yeah, EJ can be amazing. Amazing amount of trades we've taken on EJ, and it triggers you in, and the volume is just absolutely insane. Like these positions, this position, this position. EJ is probably one of my favorites to trade. When the volume's there, oh man, it just pumps. Like that drop, that push, all of these pushes here, look at these rippers, that drop there. EJ is a banger of a pair. Banger repair. I'm somewhat starting to prefer it to GJ, to be honest. Didn't lose anything, that's what matters. Yeah, absolutely, man. As long as you stuck to the plan, here's what it is. It's one of them things that happens. It's part of the game, part of the fun. Technical wise, you know, it was a beautiful setup. It's one to still keep for the journal and study why it happened and the technicals behind it and the reasons behind it. But yeah, it's just one of them where the volume doesn't kick in straight away. But yeah, my re-entry would have been here. But I was just waiting for this 5 minutes to grab that previous high, which it did beautifully on the broker, and I would have shorted there. But for some reason on FXCM, it didn't do it. So FXCM, you owe me a lot of money. I ran into 146. Yeah, me too, man. Oh, that's the thing. You got to wait for it to now pull back up. Retrace some of this move, and then I'll probably short it down again. Yeah, but now it's just a waiting game. To be fair, you called it Aaron as well as yeah. Thank you, Ron. Yeah, no, amazing, cool. Technicals are beautiful. We call them moves like this every single day, but when you don't get the volume like this, it's just not. It's just out of our control. But yeah, once we got the 30-minute break, as soon as then we close that after this closure, amazing. You just got to look for re-entries. I missed out on 55 pip views there because it was 1 pip away from order. Oh man, that's fucking painful. Steve, thank you, man. Thank you, man. We call them moves like this every single day. Just today was just one of them days, but it's all good. You just gotta let it do its thing. Shit happens, but don't ruin your psychology over it. It's one of the things that happens. If anything, I'm still proud of the way that I managed the position and proud that I was able to call such a big drop so quick in the London session. But still, my day's not done yet. I'm still gonna wait to snipe a little bit more. We've got news coming in 1 minute as well. So who knows, could this completely change things around, or will it give us the volume to catch re-entries? That's what we want to look for. You don't want to think about it like, oh, fuck's sake, I've missed the move, and kick yourself, because then when the opportunity in the same setup presents itself again, you want to be fresh-minded, ready to execute the exact same thing again. But if you sit there and go, oh, fuck's sake, I've missed the move, the fucking shit market, shit trade, you won't be able to be in the right mindset to execute it the exact same again. These setups happen multiple times a day. So it's all about just keeping the mind right, staying in the zone, and letting it do its thing. Right, we've got that news coming out now. So let's see. We get some spikes. We may get another trade. Let's see. Let's go forward live. How's gold looking? Is gold still ripping? Oh yeah. Nice close. Gold, yeah, gold's still gonna rip high. Probably come grab this little 5-minute low one more time and push higher. But yeah, I'm gonna wait. GJ, how's GJ looking? GJ still dumping. GBPJPY. Yeah, GJ still got room to retrace. Yeah, Steve, you can probably look for like a potential, around a 50% retracement of this move. Come retrace 50% of this candle, and then you could get drops down lower. Because the hourly is flipped bearish very, very well. And where would you want to short into? Let's see. Probably look for shorts. Maybe down into. See, we're at this very, very key level now. Look, you got this support, fake out, broke above, support here, resistance. So we're at a very nice level now where regardless of if we're going to break or not, this should give us a reaction to pull back, grab some more liquidity before then pushing all the way back down. So it's at an interesting level. But yeah, we'll see. Come back up, grab some of this move, and we could go lower. But after such an impulsive move, now we could just create some space for the next 15, maybe 30 minutes. Goldy, how's that lovely hourly on gold? Lovely hourly on gold, but it still hasn't broken back above this level. How's the 4 hourly starting to look? Oh yeah, look at that. 4 hourly is looking like gold could rip. Could we get a potential setup on gold? Maybe. Nice, grabbing that previous 5-minute now, which is nice. That's what you want. Stops would be way too big for me to want to long it now though. Because if you go long now, where's your stop's going to be? What, all the way down here? That's a ridiculous rest of rod. I started trading from $15, now I'm on $2. What should I do now? Absolutely nothing. You should never have been trading $15, man. Never, ever, ever. EJ, yeah, EJ's just gonna probably continue down. Which Fibonacci levels do you use? I'll show you right here. Yeah, Harry, I agree, man. I think we could easily rip higher. And this weekly candle on gold is going to be so key. If this weekly closes above 2,000, that's huge for gold. Absolutely massive. We've never closed. We closed once back in August and then closed right back below. So we've never fully closed below 2,000, held above it longer than a week. Last time we closed above it, the previous week, then broke straight back down, and then gold's seen a huge sell-off. So if we get a nice closure above here on gold, it's going to be very, very interesting levels coming into gold. We've broken above 1915, come back down, retested it this week. If you get a nice push up here on this current weekly candle, it's going to be huge. But yeah, the 4 hourly is looking really good. 4 hourlies, come back down, grabbed all of these previous lows, grabbed that little double bottom, grabbed this previous low, retesting these very simple levels of resistance. So yeah, gold could have a really nice drive in the US session. I'm pretty keen for that. But for the time being, it does need a little bit more. I would like to see it close above this level. Thanks for screening them. Good man. Good man. Easy EJ just dump. Oh, what a fucker. Oh man. Oh man.
Did you catch that?
Oh, don't even. We had sells here. Stops.
Let me open it up. Yeah.
We had sells here after this 5-minute, grabbed all this resistance, and then after that 5-minute closed bearish right at like the last minute. I then had a sell stop here, stops above here for around 13 pips. And then my whole plan was, if we break this level, this 5 minute was looking incredibly bearish, but then it wicked all the way back up. So I was like, oh, you know what? We have news and not a lot of volume, so I'm going to wait for a 5 minute closure. And the 5 minute closed, and then, yeah, unfortunately dumped. So no, I cut this at fucking break even. I'm laughing, but I'm crying inside. I would have made my
with no S.
Made my entire week. It's an absolute ridiculous move. Ridiculous move. I'll be done. I'll be closing the laptop. I'll be downstairs eating sushi and living the good life. But instead, I'm here about to a revenge trade.
I was very fortunate.
We'll get some massive trades this year, don't worry. Yeah, Jack, absolutely, man. We've got massive moves on EJ. EJ deserved to pull one back on us. But yeah, it was a lovely kill. Plenty more to come. I think we're going to get some good gold trades in US session. If we do get a 5 minute closure back above here on gold, then you could see that drive lower. But we had this little low. We've broken it, but actually closed below it. So I would have to have price close back above this level for me to want to consider longs. Nothing wrong with a degenerate revenge trade. That's what you got to do. If you have a nice move in London and you miss it, you got a revenge trade US.
Works 60% of the time every time.
You taking any positions today, Mark?
I took a small loss on EJ, but then I caught the sell.
Good man.
Which pretty much, yeah. I've got a runner going now at 70 pips.
You caught this move?
Yeah, I
Very
caught
nice.
it from, we went for Friday beers after work, and before I left the pub, I had sell stops at 030, 141030.
Yeah, oh man, yeah, so the same re-entry I wanted. Very nice. Very, very nice.
Yeah, mustache is gone.
Yeah, mustache
correct.
is gone, yeah, fuck, I didn't notice that.
Might get let near schools now.
Yeah, this is maybe FXCM aren't as good. I'm going to go username more, but I was waiting for the EJ to grab the previous 5 minute before re-entering here. I was looking for this to come and spike up, and we left a double top. But then on my broker, we didn't. We actually grabbed this previous high beautifully, and the same on someone spot out about Oanda. Where's that gone? I would have fucking re-entered that shit all day. That's what I was saying live. I wanted to come and grab that previous 5 minute. Like this. As soon as we grab that previous 5 minute, bam, short in there, stops maybe somewhere here, and that would be my re-entry. But the fucking...
Because I took a small, it's like a tiny loss, because I saw it tag yesterday's daily lows, and I was looking for buys, and same thing at like small stars, like 6 pip or something, and then I zoomed out to the 4 hour and daily. I'm like, this thing is heavily bearish. Why are you buying?
Yeah. 146.07. Why so accurate, sir? Why so precise? We'll see. Any of this level is a nice level. Any of this is a beautiful level.
What news was it? I didn't even look.
There was some French news and then German news as well. The German news is coming out in 5 minutes. Look at gold. Oh yeah. All right. Oh, look at that on gold. We didn't even liquidate these highs. Look at that. Bam. Gold dripping strong. Yeah, hard. How's that 15 looking? Oh, look at that. 15 minute, 30 minutes probably looking prime. Ooh. I don't like how we didn't liquidate that high, but yeah, this could have a nice little pullback and then leave this double top to grab later on in the US. Oh yeah, very nice. Pull back up a little bit more and I might short gold. Trade something like this. Come drive down into here. Pull back up a little bit more. I don't think I'm going to get this in on time. Pull back up more and I will consider shorts on gold. stops around 36 pips, which is pretty nice. Alright, I got sell stops in on gold. Looking for this to have a drive back down. Come and grab these lows. Cool, in the limit.
Goldie.
Yeah. 30-minute is going to be the main decider of this trade. But that was a nice spot. Whoever just spotted that on YouTube. Very, very nice. I would have liked to snipe that earlier, but it is what it is. I would like to snipe that. Yeah, Valentino, very nice spot, man. I would have missed that. I was too busy crying over EJ. But yeah, this is looking nice.
We have been all week.
Yeah, literally.
EJ.
Because the gold on the 30-minute didn't really liquidate any lows prior to a move up. So I think we need to come and at least grab this support before then having to push up. So how many pips to the lows? To go around 30 pips. So we just hit instant 12 pips. Not the best risk reward, but we're here for some juicy pippies today. Because if we leave this open like this, we could come up and grab that and it may re-enter. So we just hit an instant $400. Look at that, very quick, very nice. Very good, very nice.
Very cool, very swag.
Just hit instant 15 pipperoonies. Where's 20 pips?
Oof, drop.
Yeah, look at that. It was a fucking quick entry. Good looking, good shit. Thing is, if we close bearish here, we may quickly take partials because we can come and grab this previous 5-minute and then continue lower. Oh, squeaky. And if we can do that, that'd be more favorable because then we could get a nicer risk to reward and do something like this. But let's just wait for this 5 minutes to close. So is here right at that low. I'll consider managing, and I think we could have a nice run down. How long we got? Got 3 more minutes. This candle's going to close. EJ, I don't want to miss EJ as well. Pull him back up. Faked out, close below that support, broken back above. Nice, very nice, very, very nice. This is a very quick sniper.
That was a good spot.
Yeah, shout out to Valentino on YouTube for spotting that gold drop. Very quick spot right there. Very, very quick spot.
What do we got? 85 on the stream.
85, yeah, 85 and 45 likes, YouTube fam. If you like gold, we'll go to the floor, and that's what we want.
We'll go back down to $5.
But yeah, I think we get longs on gold later in the US potentially, which I'm pretty keen for.
I'm going to watch the footy at the pub, so.
Oh yeah,
we'll
nice.
See if I'm in any form to the US. Probably not.
Yeah, don't get the phone out. You trade full margin. Trading in alcohol don't go very well.
I'm just gonna delete MetaTrader from my phone.
Right, if we don't close bearish here, then I will go break even because we could go like this and then do this, and I don't want to go into drawdown. I'd rather just catch another entry.
I just closed out.
Because we just grabbed this little support. Go on. Because I can't even put stops above here because this is the high that we could come and grab before going lower. But I'm just gonna wait 30 seconds. But here we are, up a quick little $250, $300.
Huge.
Not bad for less than 5 minutes. Oh, there we go. Nice push now. How long you got? Got 9 more seconds. Look at that gold. Gold.
I hope it closes strong bearish for you. Big engulfing.
Yeah, I'm just skeptical now. Now we just need to kind of survive the top wick. Oh, look at that. Nice. Very nice. Nice. Broke nicely back below this level. So that's a really nice fake out. Look at that. Resistance broke. Support broke. Now come back up. Maybe resistance. Let's see. We haven't created a bottom wick on this 5 minutes, so let's just see how we go.
I mean, I consider sell stops below that low, but there's not enough risk to reward before it's pushing down into those lows there.
Yeah, I'd do the same. If oh, it's too late. I was about to say if we had grabbed this 5 minute high before creating that bottom wick, then we'd have stops like above wherever that high would be. And yeah, I would do the same.
Booming. Hopefully it doesn't come any higher than that wick, and that's just the top wick for the next drive down.
Yeah,
liquidate the lows.
I do think we need to grab this. Oh, we're gonna grab it. And I may look for a re-entry. Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab it. Spike up. Gold drip is strong. Yeah, Valentina, good spot, man. Very, very good spot. Very nice. 30 minute was beautiful. Very, very nice. Now we've got to survive the 30 top wick.
That's a nice formation there.
Yeah, really nice.
It's always that top wick. That's how I did the EJ trade, because I placed it just before open, and I saw that the candle was I had an order in, and I saw it was like 558 or whatever.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm just going to wait for the hourly close, because it's going to have to top wick anyway, even if it closes bearish.
Yeah.
Which is why it ended up playing out well.
Good, man. The EJ sells were banging. Banging. EJ pushing high now. Hourly respect that level of support. Maybe go on gold. Just gonna wait for the 5 minute on gold. I would like it to do this, to grab this low and then do this and then do this, because we grab this low, I'll take partials and go break even, and then we come back up here, amazing, I'll re-enter and take another position. So we grab these lows first, then that would be ideal, but I'm not sure if we will. Gonna be a ripper, yeah, absolutely, man, absolutely. Yeah, I think US is gonna be a good sesh today. I think we're gonna have a good US sesh today. Did you trade US, Mark, yesterday?
No, I think I called it. I was pretty tired.
As soon as I called it, gold did exactly what I wanted. I was like, you motherfucker.
Outstanding.
Motherfucker.
I think I got a trade before I went to bed, but I think I closed it because it was. Oh, that's right. I was in. Remember you called out those gold bite?
Yeah.
I bought it, and it was forming that bottom wick, and I'm just like, just keep looking at the hourly, keep looking at the hourly.
Same.
And it pushed up, and I'm like, nah, I want to go to bed. Just cut it at small profit, because you know what gold's like.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll show you what I was looking at as soon as this trade's done, but I watched it for like, I watched it until about, must have been like, I don't know, 12:15. And the 30-minute flip back bearish. And then I was like, oh, fuck it, man, we're probably just going to go back in the range. And I checked it this morning, the next 30-minute, then closed back bullish, retested, and fucking went to the moon. I was like, oh, you motherfucker.
Standard.
Literally.
Standard.
I was like, you motherfucker.
It's like the market saying you just got to not sleep, just don't sleep.
Sleeps for the weak, that's what they say. Alright, I just hit $700. I'm securing 50% and going break even.
Man, are the magic keys working yet?
No. My girlfriend has
the digital ones.
No, I'm waiting for them to bring it in. I think late this month they're bringing it to Mac.
Not true. I might have to get one.
Alright, and I'm gonna look to re-enter here. To be fair, the position size calculator that I use that Ash gave me is so good, man.
Yeah,
it's really good.
Yeah, I have to sort out how to get. I might have to run the parallels on my Mac.
Yeah, that's what I do.
I'm just phone executing.
Once you get MT4, MT5 on your computer, you'll never go back to phone executing, honestly. Alright, as soon as gold grabs these 5 minute highs, I'm going short. I'm going short again. So I just took a quick, how much did I take out of that total? Almost $400 on that quick little play, and I'm going to look to take more when we come and grab this.
Take that. Couple of go buckets in there.
Yep, not bad. Locked on, nice little add to early win. Yep, very nice. Very nice, man. Very quick. It was only like, I think we only took like, what, maybe 15 pips on that. Nothing huge. But the reason that I'm taking partials and go and break even is because we need to grab more liquidity. I don't want to see my position go from 15 pips, 16 pips in profit to then to draw down to then go back in my favor. I'll take the 16 pips. I'll lock that in. And then when we come back up, amazing, I'll do the exact same thing again. So let's see.
That's key, man, like what you were saying with management, where if you've entered at a level where price can come and retest, you secure it something, so you've taken some off the table. Such a good tip.
So important. Literally. If your entry is around a level where we haven't yet retested, YouTube fam, you have to understand that. Like as Mark just said, it's like what we always say. If my entry was, all the way up here, for whatever reason, I had a technical entry up there, amazing. I don't need to do anything. I'll just let it run. But when it's at a level where you're trying to catch more momentum and we haven't fully yet retested these levels, you have to do something about that. Whether you, just go break even or you take a little bit of profit and look to re-enter, then just do that. So yeah, that's the reason I just took a little bit of profit. Like with EJ, after this 5-minute close below this level, we would have had stops above here. Then as soon as we keep breaking, then we can go break even. As soon as we fully cleared our level, and we shouldn't need to come back to it, only then can you manage your risk. But yeah, if your entry is around a level where price is broken and not yet retested, trade management is very, very important. So like that original EJ trade, once we broke this support, you're in the clear. Boom, straight back down. Broke this level, came back up, retested these little wicks. Boom, amazing. If for whatever reason you had an entry here, and stops above there, you couldn't go break even here because this could be the level where price could retest, take you at break even before then dropping. Go and break even, and managing your risk has to be very strategic. You don't just go break even when you like the look of the profits. You have to go break even when the markets allow you to go break even. Oh, look at this, pushing nicely now. How many pipperoonies we run here? 20 pipperoonies. I'll probably take some more when we come down here. Oh, very nice, very, very nice. We're break even here as well. Very nice. Look at that, liquidating this low now. This is nice.
Beauty.
Instant bank. Very, very nice.
People haven't secured, you probably look at securing at that level too, at least something.
Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. Because we could liquidate that low and go higher. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Very, very nice. What we just hit. 30 pips. Very nice. Very, very nice. How many pips did we hit on the EJ lows? Yeah, hit 85 pips. We missed EJ, but we just made... Oh, look at that. 35. I'm going to secure a little bit more on this partial. Oh, look at that.
Boom.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Just hit 45 pipperoonies. This is the reason that we don't give a shit about missing EJ. You keep your mindset right and the next opportunity presents itself, you take it. Very, very nice catch. Very nice catch.
Bread in the chat, dubs in the chat.
Yeah, get them breads in the chat. Look at that. You just hit instant 50 pipperoonies. If you took gold and you took EJ, you've made absolute bank this morning. Very, very nice. That's your week done. Very nice. Sorry, man. Go on.
I was going to say I took buy stops on EJ at 140.36 because as much as I hate it, looked on the 1 minute, came and grabbed the previous highs.
Mm-hmm.
And then buy stops because there was no bottom wick forming, so I'll probably secure a bit of that if it's going to keep ripping down.
Yeah, good man. Good man. Yeah, Jack, that's the reason that I had sell stops in and not market execution, is because when gold moves, same as EJ, when they move, they move. So if I don't have a sell stop in, having a sell stop eliminates hesitation and it eliminates me missing the move when there's good volume in the markets. So yeah, two incredible calls today. Incredible calls. That's more than what most people make in a month.
The other thing too with I find stop orders, it's more mechanical because you've got to plan about where you're placing your order rather than seeing it rip and getting involved.
Yeah, I agree. Oh, look at that. Runners, what are runners hitting now? Runners, very nice. Where do we want to hold full runners to? I may even take a little bit more off here. I'm gonna hold a runner into longing potentially in the US session risk free. So we're gonna see how gold reacts around here on the hourly, and I'm gonna take off a little bit more. Let me just adjust stops a little bit. Okay, cool. So now I'm leaving a 20% runner, and that 20% runner is nothing but an anchor for me to take trades potentially later on in the US session. That is not a profit-taking anchor. That's just, sorry, not a profit-taking trade. It's purely an anchor to expose me to potential longs risk-free later on. If it hits me at break-even, I don't give a shit. I'm going to be using it. If I try to take a long, longs don't work and I get stopped, well, I'm just going to close my short. I don't give a shit. And I'm back to where I started. Plus securing the 80% of this move. Man, $200 profit today covered my $140 loss. Valentino, good shit, man. Very, very nice. Good job.
Good call too, man.
Yeah, good job for spotting that quick reversal on gold. I probably would have missed that if I wasn't seeing this pushback down. So very, very nice. Yeah, two absolute beauties today. Secured 80% right here, around 65 pips. Very, very nice. Get some breads in the chat, YouTube fan. Remember, drop a little like for the stream. Doing these streams every Wednesday and Friday. We made profit again on today's stream, so we can't complain. We would have made.
What's that original ADA you would have got on that if you?
On this gold one.
Yeah.
Not the biggest. Was it? So I forget where I just put it here. So we were around here. So we're risking 30 pips. So about 1 to 1.7.
Well, that's fine. Doesn't matter how big it is as long as you know how to use it.
Exactly, man. Exactly. As long as we're making that bank. Euro JPY. Ooh, look at that. Ooh,
my runner is up 100 pips almost.
That's amazing. Yeah, runner's 100 pips. That's insane. Incredible. Incredible, incredible, incredible. Do you take gold and EJ today, Mark?
I took gold. Oh yeah, I did, but I closed when it was coming back up to break even for a small profit. And I'm in EJ, re-entered EJ, running at 20 pips.
Good man. Very, very nice.
Today's like definitely helped my week.
Yeah, beautiful day. Nice volume. This is what we need. Fun coupon Friday never fails. If I had taken EJ as well and held on to it, fuck man, what a week. What a day that would have been. What a day.
You just gotta, like you say, man, you gotta take advantage of the volume when it's there.
100%, man. 100%. Who knows? Next week the volume could be shit, and it could go shit for like a month. So if we milk it for everything like we have been recently, we're laughing. We are laughing.
Man, look at, I'm gonna send it. Look at this one. I don't know why I'm on the 1 minute, but look at this 1 minute flip on EJ.
Let me see. Let me see. Sometimes you can snipe the 1 minute. You can get some dirty snipes in the 1 minute sometimes. 106 people in the chat. YouTube fan, remember, drop a little like for the stream. Sit around 50 likes. If we get to 75 likes, I will look for more trades today. Both YouTube streams this week, both profitable. Absolutely run. Oh yeah, that was dirty, man. That was lovely. It's clean. I rarely trade the 1 minute, but sometimes when I have, just for that added confluence, sometimes you can snipe it.
I'm the same, man. I never touch the 1 minute, but just when there's such high volume and it's driving so heavily bearish, you can get the nicest flips if it's high volume.
Oh yeah, so clean. Ended in profit, yes sir, Antonio. Good shit, man. Very, very good work. Boys are making bank on stream today. We had 65 pips on gold. If you still held EJ, 120 pips, even if you just secured it here, you made bank. Very well done. Very, very well done. What time is it? 9 AM London. How long have we been on stream? Been on stream an hour and 15 minutes. Right, let me just post in the chat. My man direct to Peter. Let me see. I just posted in Zoom chat. Give me 2 seconds, guys. All right, YouTube fam. I'm probably going to wrap up here. You know, we've had some great trades today. Amazing call on EJ shorts. Very unfortunate to get stopped there at break even to close the position, but the guys who held, very, very good work. I'll recap this live stream so you can understand why I took the position and the whole technicals so you guys can take these positions, because these opportunities present themselves a couple of times in every single session. So if you guys made bank today from tuning the stream, whether you took gold or EJ, very, very well done. I'm going to stay on Zoom with the community for maybe like another half an hour. But other than that, I'm going to come back for the US session and see what the markets bring there. But if you guys did enjoy the stream, remember, drop a little like, subscribe. I'll be live on YouTube again next Wednesday. So hopefully I'll see some of you guys there. And remember, I'll recap this trade probably at some point over the weekend if I get time. But yeah, appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. If you do want to check out any of my other videos, feel free to check out my whole travel trading series. And hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next one. So I will see you guys soon. Thank you for tuning in. If I missed your question, remember to drop me a message on Instagram and I'll get back to you guys. Peace.